Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. So our case for today, actually we have two cases for today. Our first case is breast augmentation. Actually, is a change of implant from 375 cc to 550 cc. So, mas malaking implant po yung ilalagay natin. So, we have to uh, make the pocket bigger. Kailangan lakihan. So, in this case, wala namang contracture yung patient. So, hindi siya nag-scar sa loob. So, we'll just have to make the pocket bigger. Lalakihan po yung lalagyan, kumbaga. No? So, we'll just do capsulotomy. When you see capsulotomy, lalakihan lang, sisirain lang yung capsule to make it bigger, the pocket to make it bigger. Then you'll insert the implant. So, titignan natin kung we still need to do capsulectomy. Pero I think we don't need to do capsulectomy. So, capsulotomy will be okay. Ano lang, baka sisirain lang yung bahay and make it bigger. Okay? Meron ding si Mascha, yung patient. Yung first surgery niya, that was done 8 years ago. No? Siguro masyadong napadissect medially yung surgeon. So, medyo nagdikit yung kanyang breast. Yung cleavage niya magkadikit. So, kailangan medyo ihiwalay. So, I'm going to do capsulorrhaphy. I-repair lang natin yung capsule. Ideally is we should make another plane. No? Babaguhin natin yung plane kung saan nakalagay yung implant. But the patient doesn't want to have another plane. Ayaw niya ng submuscular kasi ayaw niya ng pain. Medyo masakit kasi ang submuscular placement of implant. So, that is our first case. Then our second case today is silicone rhinoplasty. No, for a male, madali lang po yun. Na-carve ko na po yung implant. So, we have to make it medyo straight. No? Medyo mataas. Pwede po yan. Wala pong slope. Kasi pang babae po yan, as I'm always saying. Then, I'm going to do alar trimming. Kasi masyado pong wide yung nose ng patient. So, that will be our cases for today. And while they are preparing the first case, yung breast augmentation, we're going to have coffee with our vice. So, another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. So, this is a palm. See you. I'm done. with revision. With the revision, breast augmentation, and change of implant. No? So, we changed the implant from 375 to 550. No? So, I did not do capsulectomy. Hindi po tinanggal yung capsule. Nag-capsulotomy lang. Niluwagan lang yung packet. No? Kasi wala namang contracture. Hindi naman nakaganon. So, hindi po natin kailangan tanggalin yung the whole capsule. Then, I did capsulorrhaphy naman po. Yung sa gitna. Kasi yung previous surgery, medyo nagdikit. So, we have to separate it. Ideally po, we do change of plane, papalitan ng packet. Kung subglandular, ideally, it should be submuscular or under the muscle. Pero ayaw po ng patient. So, I just repaired the capsule para medyo ma-push siya to the side and hindi mag-meet sa gitna. So, I hope mag-hold po yung suture sa gitna para yung cleavage niya po hindi masyadong dikit. Medyo may awang ng kaunti. So, that's it. I will see her after 1 week. Okay? Another day. Another surgery. Hi. We're done with our second case, silicone rhinoplasty. Yan, tumaas na yung tip. And we did alar trimming. The bridge is okay na. No? Maganda mo yan. Sa male rhinoplasty, so medyo straight from the isofrontal angle to the tip, medyo straight yan. No? Hindi nakaslope, as I said before. So, this is silicone rhinoplasty. We will see him after 6 days. We will be posting, we'll be showing you the before and after pictures. Okay? Another day, another surgery.